Hey everyone, today's video is all about the exciting new Hamster Kombat Playground update and how to score some sweet rewards with Hamster Race codes. Part 1, the Playground update. Hamster Kombat just dropped a brand new playground section. We don't have all the details yet, but stay tuned for future videos where we'll dive deeper into what it offers. Parts at Hamster Race codes now, on to the good stuff. Hamster Race codes. These codes let you participate in special races with a chance to win a whopping 5 million hamster tokens. Important note, these codes are unique to each player, so you'll need to get yours by playing the game. Here's how to get your code. Download and play the Hamster Kombat app if you haven't already. Once you're in the game, play around and explore until you find your unique code. Head over to the Hamster Kombat Telegram bot link in the description below and paste your code. The bot will reward you with keys for the Hamster Kombat Playground. Bonus codes for July 27th. While you wait for your own code, here are a few bonus codes you can try. These might expire soon. Bico RCP6 K3 PVN, Bico RP1 DP3S 2 PSN, Bico Rape D3S 165M. Make sure to show these codes on screen outro. Remember, these codes might not work forever, so grab yours from the game ASAP. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Hamster Kombat tips and tricks. Until next time, happy racing. Description box. In this video, we explore the new Hamster Kombat Playground update and show you how to get your unique Hamster Race code for a chance to win 5 million hamster tokens. Plus, we snuck in a few bonus codes for good measure.